everyone, welcome back to my channel, Life on the Savage Farm. My name is Jessica Savage. I hope you get tons of motivation from this video today, you guys, because look at that drawer. Oh my lord, now that is a junk drawer, but don't judge me. It took a family of 5 to create this mess, but how embarrassing. However, this is real life, and I know I'm not alone in this, so we're going to tackle this drawer together and get it all cleaned and organized. Be sure to subscribe, stick around, and stay tuned for more of these Monday Motivational Organization videos. I have my Clean With Me's on Wednesday, my Farm Life, A Minute to Live It on Sundays, and now these videos on Mondays. I call it Organization Motivation. It's where I go around in my house, find a drawer or cabinet that needs to be decluttered, reorganized, and post it every Monday for you to clean along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. As I go through this drawer, I just can't believe how much is in here. So let me ask y'all, where is your junk drawer? What do you have in it? How many do you have? Can you close it? Well, from the look of our drawer, we'll be decluttering quite a bit. I'll be putting items back where they belong, keeping what we're always using in this kitchen, and items that we know where they'll be as a go-to drawer. So we'll be having those in here.
Away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my future. Would you react to me? We are reacting.
Love 7th generation products. All natural, all plant-based. So healthy to use around you, your kids, and your animals. I would highly recommend this product line if you're looking for a good chemical-free change. Alright you guys, here's the best part. This little organization tray I got from Ross. Love that store. If you need to find any organization trays or bins, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods are the best stores to look in for these. We are all done, you guys. Now that was fun and definitely occupied my time. I hope you accomplished what you wanted to finish today. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it. All of this really helps out my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video. Bye.
The waves, exactly where I wanna be.